Kame I say the old quack warrior, and was say we careful, and I say, I was away she will be ye pa and son now, worry. I didn't make the sa. Ya bisha and same be a betoja, a year and none other, a far obian to pa any sojani our real me, a cofa and same be a buy, Emma or buy be a beginner muka say. Onu na wahye abrantie ya ma na yeden edru echire na edu te oboso no so san kona no se ne ye kan no se bonkum jare ni fa na le fa so ejare bonkum no akoba ne sa ma be ma ni ja oba ne ho no ko ware ai obia topa sa so na ase eya aba besi ewo ene asem yam iba betuje da Saturday 27th of March no 2021 ye na ni abona mu wet our daughter or kind entertainment or can semfa artist ho omonta di shemni senior omonyema esi your fan Saturday ye twem ya no omo de aware hye so kama fefe na brand no so so no ware no ogina so yie ne ho ofe pa brand ni din Joel na comments ni mo na nkofo ebo mu se so congratulations e jagana dear so wo ye wedding na you pictures ni adia ya ma congratulations nkofo congrats na for some time ye wo ya nko shempese mo ani mo ya se abaya we bia ye fele tishia K1 aba betro e wo comment section say the room is a whole proper ashawo Joel, God will punish you. Asemi dear a obi ase na dear ne esa babesi kame akoyese we dear obi atopa issue ya so jeni issue bi na ase ya ba be ka abuna muweti na se ne yesi ehunu no yesi abrantie a oye Joel opema ye pa o just oye ko shini Casanova ye ka no bofun kasa mu se Casanova o ya abrantie bi a ososo ma oni wey echempna no ni je na asate so oni ni jaipo okaka kamano eboso to se sardine no na ekoye sa na abawe ede asemi betuje this obi a enwienwia asem no aka se girl yi so de ade oni abrante yakọ house na ote so odi awo na ni so nti na yede ma ne kasa na Ghana for ye efuto kakra me pese me di emma mo ebimu no ene se bio obema bia ye jamanfo bema bia ye jamanfo na afa so no mema no so no se bio so ye jaman kra no owo odi oye dem odo the fact say wo Leticia no wo ni Joel relationship no and dia doesn't mean say oni abuna mo wet yen so ye the and na say wo be to the extent so be say God will punish him for what and na Joel why enti a God will punish him and I sha brantie so oso wa ne sisi mu so ye no mo fe pa so wo share video na no mo fe pa ye and am ye sure say abuna mo wet so no so oni be ma oni ne ye de oni ne tie ana so oni ohunu be ma ne sunu ne ba na ye de ofa no e bia wo oba no wentimi antakel e bia wo hye ne suban bi no wentimi na ye de antina but abuna mo wet di onu de oditum se bi obetimi na ye atsena ntina ma oni de aware ye de share so na nsa no ba ni be ma ebesi mu pese ye ware no na ehihye mu bebre ya ye de akoso menya hye so abuna mo wet sorry ya na je so obini so ma Joel so Joel ware no menya hye so oye investigations kakra fa guy no asa no ye de opini so oni be ware and as yesu ye nya ye hu ye Ghana de se ba ni se wo kwa ko ware a I was so we careful pa so one for onye bi anhyehyehye kuku ana one for one send bi ana oni ye bi anhyehyɛ adaka mu ade we ni be pie wo so na te say insem bi atototoja na say ye hye abana mo white no odi otimu say relationship no odi sie ye for a very long time because me na ye nim no abana mo white so no there she's everywhere like she's jovial or can artist for she's into showbiz no and I don't say Donny Joe or the chimp na cause Ghana dear yeah your information centers and our CID say you move on your Bema way and 90 Bakumi the Benya investigation a farm by Camilla say we the Ghana for farm home Abraham went to the Indian relationship no SCA kakra and sana ye na ye and annual Saturday ye we are so ye wa worry Ghana for moon jay and ye Ghana for no mabino musu munya kasa and I begin can see subium so Bema or you a chimp and uncle yamawa and no interest or bet me there or baby and I'm sad subium and obey me but your memory do why from or mudom get so or mu players. The fact that we players no omo oba wo we dey omo don e bia wo lisi she wan kwa nkoye oba no person e dey oni ne tina enti na ye dey man ko ba nisa na futo ka so ndwe ma Joel ni se Joel wa wo mu uko ware abena mo wenti wati ensem a ahya se dey eboba I ensem no dey eboba pa ye it say wa ware dia se a wasi mu pisa abena mo wenti na person ne tina dia eni me futo kakra me dey bema wo ni se eni ka wo nai boom I won't just say we are Bema, I'll be traffic but set a good example for others to follow. Since I ever Boba said Letitia man or up to the extent so as a God will punish you, then that means say there's something somewhere, there's something fishy. For a woman to come out, Papa Cassan, who ya Casanova and Yami, a bit to our design, Letitia, the private man for Basse, a Letitia, no Adam for. And now only you quiet the echo chain, put on with your one duty, lady here, na man about bed, na down for about bed to you. Said so because of God will punish you, and yassem pa, and no make us see a pa. And so because of your to your car, and since said you'll be a friend and twine your man, our friend goes to one, why Edia Bodia. Say a cousin Yamutia or can, and Otia, but Bimocasa or Yankupon, your father born to him, and I say Yankupon, the Tiao cow, or Nooning Rim, there be that. Nyankopon otua wo ka obi ka cho se nyame ntua wo ka nyame otua wo ka pa otua wo ka enti no minua Joel since a why wadwen se osia de wasi mu pisa na mo wait and I no ebet na akwa kosi awie I do no men ka no I do pa in sickness and in health ni nyina no you have to follow the procedure e wo se wo fe mu pepe se de be ya obi engina be bi nka so ya nka e jaga na de wo worry ye na fa fere makafo ni medical ya example Omo wa wie mu a ya o enche omo beja o enche omo beja o our full say by long last then akobaye omo ware omo busu aso njema e baba ho first one no cry every mother enti foot on them Joel say emfa ho say why ma semecham you can still make some corrections there's a saying say change is constant you can change it into past life now when you be ama Letitia enen na so aba kasasa no I believe say you can make a change since I was settled down fully in the mess so and idiom say massen dia wo ye bia ni jai to one say be ya Ghana and raise the eyebrows and I say Ghana and can send me the infant to my warrior you say my warrior and too fresh for a lady to come out and say stuff like this and I any about number one so congratulations big congratulations to your wedding now mess also so what's all doing here the to come say you woni bema wo no na wo de wo kware no enye matemate ayesi panini die matemate enti no wani buso na Ghana for the so di omochi ni oma no ensensem a ebema broken heart ebema broken heart cry here enti no de message wo say o so wo show wo dey e wo so mu say bema na wakofa no o ye bema no mu ofe yie no mu ofe pint no wo say wo ma wani eden ekọ no homa wani ekọ wawarie mu enye nsem bia na obetia obe fa kukukuku I say onya abose so wonu be ma ye de ware do and afi so wonu se be me wo hye Instagram handle you say we check bi na we yi ni o hye boxes na wo hye enye me dele nimpa a hye o de ato ni Instagram page a wo tumi say power wo na o ye hard guy pa and a man so ebe penny ye o say sometimes so because e be man ye kasa no enye onu nko an onu penny and a man so pe so we so we be won na one penny and so o kind one bie man am not sure say you will end up calling him say he's a Casanova guy be a Casanova e bi mu sorry e bi mu but do na o check ya be 90% there omore man pa enti ye nua ba abnam wet kakra efuto kakra metimi ye de e de ama wo no enti ye nua obi ebeka men shed de nipa be ye Ghana de wo are fresh na ne de na info de bia meka bi se obi mpana yo obi mpana obi x yo obi x obi ni x obi x iti no once a joa no adate obi ni nkwa de so so mu se abnam wet so yo obi x iti wo timi ngina so emfa enjeje ni pa se board punish you any de enchaye kra congratulations once again na me am di enese mi brem mi di e di efiansroma na me ni se wo so pese wo share wa de me se wo se ko ye YouTube channel too much gh for subscribe be efoma ye na comment section also share wa gh efa enese mi am di aba be today afi so follow wo Instagram Facebook and Twitter that's the name ye be say e share makram